Hello everyone. Today we're going to design wheels in Tinkercad. So let's start. First we have to click create new design. Then let the screen get loaded. Keep your work plane in mode up top and front view. Okay. So as usual, always I say you have to take some basic shape which is so closer to wheel. So I'm going to take a cylinder. Okay, and I'm going to place in the my work plane here. Okay, so I'm going to change the size of this one to 40 mm. Okay, both side diameters will be 40. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to check the height, how much height it has. 20. So let me change the height too. So I'm taking height 30 mm. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the sides. You see that it's not so smooth. Okay, it's not so smooth. So I'm going to change the side to till 64. So now you can see it's smoother. And B level, I'm going to take B level like a 2. So edge will be like a little sliced. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I will click again on the here, and segment, I will set the segment you see that 10. I will take segment 10. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, you see that it's looking now smoother, and I'm going to design the racing car wheels. Okay, so it is perfect for that size. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'll take a tube from here in the basic shapes. I will go and look for tubes. Okay, tube. I'm getting a tube here. Okay, and what I'm going to do, I will change the color for this one. Okay, I will choose different color so I can identify when I'm inserting this one in the middle of this. So now let me increase the size for this one. I have taken 40, so I can take this one 30. Okay, 30, and here also 30. And the height of this one is I have taken 30 for height. So this one is 20, and if I'm taking more than 20, it will be not look good. So I'm taking 20 only, this one. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I will hold this one and take it above 30 mm. You see that, let me show you. So I'm taking 30 mm up, 19, 20, 21, 23, and it's 30 now, and I'll bring it by using my directional key in my keyboard, arrow, the arrow for arrow key. I'm pressing that and I'm bringing on the top of that. Now what I'm going to do, I will make little come down this one. Okay, like 2 mm. Then I will hold all object. Okay, and I will click align. You see that this is align button. I will click on it, and then I press this black spot, the middle one, the left middle one. So you can see it is now in the middle. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make this one also smoother. So let me uh, make B level segments. One second. 10. One second. Here wall thickness and side thickness. Yeah, side thickness I'll increase till 64. Okay, and B level I'll take 2. Okay, like this. Okay, and okay, little smoother will be good. Okay, yeah, so I'm taking B level 2 also here. Okay, and the B level segments 4, so it will look smoother little. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to insert this totally down. Okay, let me do that. I will hold the black cone shape, and I'll slowly slide it into that. Now it is in. You see that it is labeled. Okay, you see that it is labeled. Now I'm going to increase the radius little much. Okay, it's too much, so let me keep 12 wall thickness. So let me increase the wall thickness by 8. Okay, so I will type here 8. Okay, and I'll press enter. Now you see that wall thickness became 8. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this one into the yellow one. I'll click on the yellow one. Okay, and I'm going to turn into whole. Okay, let me click select whole. Now I will select whole object and I will group it. When I group it, you can see a nice cut here. Okay, you see that? Okay, good. So now what I'm going to do, I will take a cylinder again, a cylinder. Okay, let me take a cylinder, I'll bring it here. Okay, then I'm going to make the size of the cylinder 6 mm here and 6 mm here. Okay, and height should be, I'm keeping height like 60 mm in height. Okay, so it's so big, don't worry about that. So I'm going to change the color of this. Okay, green, and I'm going to bring this one here nearby that, and I will select whole object, and then I will click align here. You see that align option, then select the middle one, black spot, the left middle one, and it will be in the middle. Now what you do, just click on it, and let me zoom out little much. Okay, now hold this black cone shape and move like a 3. Okay, move till 10 mm. Okay, now what you have to do, again click on the green one and turn into whole. Okay, and select this one and group it. Now you can see you have a nice wheel here, but for friction we have to do something. So you see that, let me do that for friction. So I will take a okay, I'll take a tube again. Okay, let me bring here, and I'll make the you know that sides that we have this one for that diameters 30. So let's keep this one also 30. Okay, 30 and 30 in this. Okay, let's keep 35 32 or 30, more than that, 32 and 32 here. Okay, let me do that. And height should be, you see the height, I'm going to keep the height like 3. Okay, 3 mm, so thin in that like a ring. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'll change the color of that first. Okay, let me change the color. Okay, now I'm going to insert this here. Okay, let me bring that here. Okay, so let me see why it's looking smaller. First turn this one is a hole, so you can see inside what happening inside. So you see that it is like a not in that. Let me check the radius for this one. Okay, so how much I have taken, 40, and this one is I'm taking, okay, so that it's smaller. So let me keep the radius for this one 42. Okay, sorry for that, 42, and here also 42. Okay, now let me do that. Now I can see that I will align both. Okay, I will select both and I will click align. I will click this middle one and I will click this middle one. So you see that it now aligned, and now I'm going to turn this the middle the whole one again into solid. Okay, now again I will click on the blue one and hold this black cone shape and I'll bring it in the middle. Let me align in the middle. I'll select this again and I'll click align. Okay, and I'll press this middle the height middle one. Okay, now you see that again I'm going to click on the blue one and I'll click duplicate. Okay, let me click duplicate. Okay, and then I will hold this one and I will go up little. Okay, then again I'll click duplicate. After clicking on the middle one, again blue one, You see that I'm clicking on the blue one in the middle, and again I will click duplicate and I'll go down little much. Okay, you see that. So you see that, like that you have to do. Now I will click on this middle one and I will change the wall thickness by 1. Okay, let me click 1 here, and same things I will repeat the other one here in the middle one. I will change the wall thickness 1 here, and the down blue one I will change wall thickness 1. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'll change all these three into holes. So I'll click first blue one and change into blue, that hole, and the middle one hole, and the down one into hole. Then now I will select all by holding my left mouse button, and now I will click group button. Let's see, it will turn into cuts. Okay, let's see how it's looking now. Okay, so let me click outside, and you can see the way it's looking like this. Okay, so it can, yeah. So now what I'm going to do here, okay, I'm going to rotate this one. Okay, let me click on it, and here you see that two face arrow, you have to click and type here 90 degree. Okay, and press enter. Now you see that it got rotated. Okay, and the bill is like that. Okay, now I will, what I'm going to do, I'll click again on that and I will click duplicate, and I'll take out the duplicate one by holding my left right arrow key. Now you see that it is not equal in the face. I want opposite of this one, so I will go at the top and I will click mirror, and I'll click here in the left and right mirror. Now see that wheels are ready, and you can duplicate this one again, like by clicking it and duplicate, so you can get another wheel like this. And if you want, you can duplicate this one to get 4 wheels. Okay, so see that we got 4 wheels here. Okay, and you can put a rod in the middle, so you can connect both the wheels together, and you can start designing your car, okay, with these wheels. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.